Good morning, students. Myself Kamal Nath, and I welcome you all in the class of grammar. We all are learning adverbs, and this is the third video in that series. You must have got two last videos in which I have already explained adverbs and 10 kinds of adverbs. I am sure that you must have learned, you must be remembering all that. Today we are going to learn the other here part of the adverbs, and that is comparisons of adverbs. Like adjectives, in adverbs also we have here comparisons. Adverbs are compared, and so it has also here three parts: like adjectives, positive, comparative and superlative. Let us see what is that comparisons of adverbs. As I told you earlier, like adjectives, adverbs also have degrees of comparison. Let's see first here some examples. He runs fast. Fast is adjective and fast is adverb as well. So let's here keep in our mind, in our memory, fast is used as an adjective, at the same time adverb as an adverb also. He runs fast. In the second one, you run faster than me. And the third example, she runs the fastest of all. In these three examples, we see three forms of fast: fast, faster, fastest, as you have in adjective. That's why we have seen here that adverbs are also compared in three here parts, that is positive, comparative and superlative. So let's go further and see what is here. The way that we can learn the three adverbs, positive, comparative and superlative, at the same time, how can we change their form? What are the ways, what are the rules that help us to change the adverbs in three forms here, and we will identify with their here formation. The adverbs with one syllable form the comparative by adding er, and the superlative by adding est at the end. You can see here in the table, fast in positive becomes faster in comparative, and fastest and superlative. By adding er in fast, we have changed into comparative, faster, and in the same fast, adding est, we have changed into superlative form. So is here other word, hard, harder, hardest. In this word also, er is added in hard to make it comparative, and est in the same word to make it superlative form, hardest. Let's see here now another adverbs ending in ly. If any adverb last letters are ly, then it forms the comparative and superlative. That kind of adverb is changed into comparative and superlative with more and most respectively. In comparative, we use more before that adverb and most in superlative. So you can see in the table that is given: anxiously, more anxiously, most anxiously. So here you can see in positive form it is simply anxiously ending with the letter ly, and in comparative using more before anxiously, and in superlative most before anxiously. That more changes anxiously in comparative form, most into superlative form. Like that is another example, like briefly. In it also, more is used before it to make it comparative form, and most in superlative form. Here we have some other ways to change the adverbs from positive to comparative and superlative. There are some adverbs which are irregular. These are called irregular adverbs, and they do not follow any rules. When we are changing into comparative and superlative, the word completely changes. They do not follow any rules. You have example here, badly, and badly becomes worse and worst. You must be remembering. In adjective form, bad becomes comparative worse, and in superlative worst, bad, worse, worst. But it is not adjective, it is adverb badly, and that badly becomes in comparative worse and superlative worst. So is here another word, well, that you have used in adjective good, better, best. It is well is adverb, and that becomes in comparative form better, and in superlative form best. That you know much better. Another word is here, much, more, most. These are irregular, and that's why they are changing in here this way. Like that, we have some more examples here that I have here given you. Little, less, least, far, farther, farthest. Here, far has two forms in comparative and superlative. One form is far, in comparative farther, and then is farther, that is for a distance. In that here distance we are telling. Here in the difference of distance, far, farther, farthest. And the same far is used showing to the next. Okay, and that is here far, further, furthest. From the same word far in comparative becomes further, furthest. I am sure that you must have understood here this table. Here I have given an exercise on basis of the comparative, superlative, and positive, comparative, and superlative. You have the exercise here to practice, and I am sure all of you will do this exercise in your copy. I have some questions here. Use the correct degree of comparison to complete these sentences. You have been given an adverb in the bracket at last of the sentence with a blank in the sentence. You have to use the correct form of the adverb that is given in the bracket in the blank. He played me. Word is here badly. The word is here badly, and you can use here as just help. I can tell you, he played, okay, worse than me. Worse, W-O-R-S-E, worse. That will be comparative form. He played worse than me. Surely you know that in comparative form you use than, because you are comparing two people, two things. And so here also will be he played worse than me. Like that, you have been given in second sentence, she stayed in dash expensive of hotels. Here you have been given little. Here you use your correct form of adverb in the blank. Which painting do you like? Dash. Here adverb given is well. We have to use the correct form of well in the blank here. So is in the fourth, take as dash as you want. Now you have been given here much. What form, what correct form will be used here in the blank of much adverb? That is to here decide and to fill. So you have some more exam here questions. Try to do this. Dash next time. Adverb given in the bracket is carefully to be used in the blank in the correct form. whether it will be in positive, comparative or superlative. So you have here, he ran dash. Of all, adverb is fast to be used in its correct form. You should try dash for your friend. Adverb is hard to be used here. He stayed dash I expected. The adverb is here long. The committee decided to look into the matter, and the word is here far, adverb. So please you all do this exercise in your copy. Thank you student. Thank you very much.